Chabby people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and are ready for a cracking weekend. What's the plan for the weekend? Unfortunately, it's my weekend to work, but never mind. I'm off on Tuesday this week, so looking forward to my day off. So day off means crafting. Friday, so very special freebie. On Monday, we make together this super cute pouch envelope pouches to store little ephemera. This is my favorite. That opens like that. I will put the video at the end of this one in case you guys want to check it out. And I have used my Musica Melodia digital papers, which I'm going to show you now. It's called Musica e Melodia, which in Italian means music and melody. Musica Melodia is a set of background papers and tags and etc. There's some embellishments. Let me show you each page one by one. So you get full background with the music. You get another page with the Victorian lady that is playing the violin, some flowers and butterflies. A full page of gold embellishments. There is a set of 4, 8, 12, 13. So you get different sizes. I love this. These are Victorian music embellishment, and I have put it on gold doilies. Okay. There is a page with 4 tags, very big tags, and these can be used as they are, or you can use them as a base, so you guys put things on top. This is my favorite page, which we're gonna use today. So that would be the base of one on tags. Another page with the piano on the bottom, and then this gorgeous music sheet with some flowers on top. Another background. This is the 2 Greek. What do you call them? What do you call them? Arithmetic and music. You know what I'm trying to say. It will come back to me. And then another page with the 2 violins. Now, I designed this page to be used as a, you can use as a journal if you do like a musical journal. It's completely up to you. And then another page with some plain tags. Okay, so again, they can be used as they are, or you can layer it on top. Okay, and today's freebie has been designed from one of the pages. So I have created 7 tags. Okay, so those 5 here are the same size. Those 2 on the bottom are slightly bigger. I just want to say 2 seconds, guys. I just want to take a minute to say I'm very sorry for the last couple of videos. I know that microphone was going on and off. I'm fully aware of it, and I mentioned this on Monday's videos and Tuesday and Wednesday's videos. But I've got a new camera. I have purchased a microphone last week. I was hoping that this microphone would have resolved the issues. Unfortunately, it didn't. Okay, so I had to buy a new camera, but because I filmed my video ahead, by the time you watch all my videos, the camera might have been arrived, hopefully. So the new set of video that will be filmed with a new camera will be live in the channel in the next couple of weeks. So you need to bear with me. I do apologize. I know it was annoying because I noticed when I was editing the videos that the audio was on and off. And I was like, oh my God, this is so annoying to watch. I do apologize, guys. I didn't realize until I actually edited them. And of course, because I filmed my videos all together, I couldn't tell you, but now I can tell you, and I'm very, very sorry. So I'm hoping that I'm using a temporary camera, which is one of my old camera. The quality is not great. In fact, it was the first camera I bought when I started my YouTube journey 5 years ago. So yeah, so I'm hoping that you can hear me okay and you can see me okay. Okay, right, I'm gonna go, guys. This is the freebie. As usual, 2 ways to get them on my newsletter, and I will put the newsletter here on the left hand side so you can see what the newsletter looks like, and also on my Facebook group. Facebook group is a very interactive platform, and I'll show you in just a second where to find them. So I put I think it's about 200 or 300 freebies, put it all together in date order. Okay, so you can see, you can download them all. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the three dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay guys, so you saw my Facebook group newsletter. Join today so you don't have to do anything. So when you join my newsletter, you will get the following freebie from the following week. So you just don't have to do anything. The freebies will be emailed to you on a Friday at 9 p.m. British time. Just check your spam junk email box, because depending over your privacy settings, the email might end up there. Okay, so triple check that email folder. Again, put the kit, the link of the kit down below in case you guys wish to purchase it. But for the time being, enjoy playing with these tags. And if you make some projects, please share them on my Facebook group. Again, everybody can see and everybody take inspiration from one another. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.